Too much empty space for these thoughts, and it's a long way down.
Just give me 1 minute. This is a very important issue, and this video came to you not by accident. God brought this to you for a reason. So please hear me out. I really need your help, and yes, you can help me here. After serving in the Army faithfully for 25 years, Will Haden retired and finally was able to look forward to spending time with his beautiful wife Sarah, who he had married 22 years ago and now looked forward to retirement with. Unfortunately, things took an unexpected turn. He knew the dangers, he knew the risks. With each deployment and each mission, they were always the same. He may or may not come back. But to lose your best friend in one of those missions, that was what he had been dreading. And when he lost his best friend in a 2011 deployment, that was a loss that he could not get over. As all soldiers do, he pushed past it, he fought, he tried to focus on the positive of life with his beautiful wife, of life with his new grandkids. But the memories haunted him. And just in the last few weeks, he lost his own battle. The battle with the demons that plagued him and haunted his memories. And he took his own life, leaving his beautiful wife and last remaining daughter at home, alone, with nothing. When you get out of the military, you lose your life insurance. And he was not expecting to lose his life. With no bomb sailing over his head or bullets whipping past him, he thought he was safe. He thought he was free. He was not expecting to lose his life suddenly. And he certainly hadn't been expecting to take it himself, leaving his beautiful wife, Sarah, and their last remaining daughter with nothing. Now she's being turned down for VA benefits, insurance coverage, everything is now blowing up in her face. She has absolutely nothing. It's hard enough to lose the love of your life, but now on top of it, to be thinking about how much you miss them and how to pay the bills that shouldn't be an issue, but are, is a devastating blow. I made the decision to reach out and help her family. And this is where you guys can help out too. And I thought about all the different things I could do. I don't make enough from my YouTube channel to be able to help her with it, but I did have one thing that I hadn't tried yet. Years ago, when I was a military wife, I wrote a children's book for my daughter. When her dad was deployed overseas, she couldn't understand why he wasn't there at home. She was angry, she was upset, and it really inspired me to address those issues by writing a book about a little girl who's upset that her dad is gone on deployment. And at the very end, there's a heart-wrenching twist that I'm not going to tell you what happens, but it's almost guaranteed to bring tears to your eyes. So I thought it was fitting that I finally, after all these years, release this book and donate 100% of the profits from this book to Sarah and her family for the next 6 months. My goal is to raise at least $20,000 to be able to give to her. This book is just released in paperback format on Amazon. You can either buy a copy for yourself or you can buy a copy for somebody else. Click the link on here to be taken to the Amazon page to purchase this book. If you don't have kids at home or you don't feel your kids are young enough to appreciate the message, don't worry. You can still buy a book and donate it to a service member that you know. Or maybe donate it to your local military base. Or if you don't know where a local military base is, I have a whole list of bases listed state by state where you can send your Amazon copy to. The best thing about this fundraiser, it's not just helping one family, it's helping many families. You can help in other ways. Leave a comment on this video, give it a thumbs up, pass it on to your friends. If you have a YouTube channel, copy it, link to it, any way that we can spread the word to give them the help they need and put a smile back on her face. And just most of all, to let her know that we appreciate her and her husband. Also, leave your comment down below and forward on this video to be entered to win one of our exclusive Neuralite gemstones, one winner to be drawn each month for the next 6 months. So definitely leave your comment down below. Thank you so much for all of your help.
Where the days drift by, Would you wait for me?